We are going to discuss about expanding into foreign markets. He who is different from me doesn't impoverish me, he enriches me. No man should seek to hear his own echo or find his own reflection. There is nothing too easy to learn as experience and nothing so hard to apply. Expanding into a foreign market is not a panacea. Selling product in a foreign country can be misleadingly similar to expanding into a new market at home. Yet they are not the same. The risk and the preparations involved, for example, are far greater, which can render foreign trade unfeasible when compared against potential profits. And a company struggling to survive at home that is looking to conquer overseas market as a remedy is unlikely to be able to take on and beat experienced overseas competitors. This is because the risk involved in doing business in a foreign country, including bureaucracy, corruption, unstable governments and markets, high foreign country debts, and or inflation, high unemployment, which can lower a nation's ability to buy your products. Exchange rate volatility, foreign governments, entry requirements, which can include the degree of business control or ownership allocated to foreigners, hiring, a firing policies, the percentage of the business output allowed to be exported, and the amount of profits that can be taken from the country. Marketing mix adaptation, product modification, difference in production method or quality requirements, distribution, channel difference, and advertising difference, war or regional conflicts, and terrorism like kidnapping and hostage taking. Mexico, for example, average around 8,000 abduction per year, a number that includes the taking of executives from foreign companies. Next is why go international? With so many problems and challenges involved doing business in foreign countries, the obvious question is why abroad in the first place. The main reason includes great profit potential, that is, new markets, better raw material access. Being closer to raw materials can lead to lower production costs, financial capital opportunities, have increased access to financial resources or financial incentives, lower labor costs, larger labor pools. Before going abroad, doing business is another country requires a market-led approach. Studies show that the reason why so many successful business fail when everything overseas is because they didn't check to see if the market is viable. Apparently, a large proportions of sales from foreign buyers and nothing more than one time only order. This situation is described as passive exporting. Pacific exporting and should not be associated with long-term customer interest. Therefore, before making a leap into a foreign market, the following question need address. Can you learn the entrepreneur preference and buying behavior of customer in the foreign market? Can your business offer competitively attractive products? Will you be able to adopt the other business cultures and deal with foreign nationals? Do you or you employ have international experience? Have you considered the impact of foreign regulation, standard, and political environments? Can your bank and financial departments handle foreign currency transactions? These were the main and basic points about expanding into foreign markets. These are the points or these are the things that we should must consider before expanding into foreign markets. We will discuss further more about expanding into foreign markets in our upcoming lecture. Till then, thank you very much.